You want to find the derivatives of fx equals to e to the power of x, that is exponential function. So by definition, f prime x equals to the limit when del x approaches 0 for f x plus del x minus fx over del x. So equals to sub in the value of fx equals to ex. So we get limit del x approaches 0 of e to the power of x plus del x minus e to the power of x over del x. So we get limit of del x approaches 0, e to the power of x plus del x. We will get e to the power of x times e to the power of del x minus e to the power of x over del x equals to we can factorize e to the power of x, e del x minus 1 over del x. So the value, if we take the limit of e to the power of x minus 1 over del x, so this is actually equals to 0 because a equals to 1. Then because the value of when del x is 0.1, so we get e to the power of del x minus 1 over del x is 1.05 something. So using the above numerical approximation approach, we get that y equals to 1. So e to the power of x times 1 equals to e to the power of x. So that's why the differentiation of fx equals to e to the power of x is e to the power of x. Okay, what if we have y equals to e to the power of dx? So dy dx equals to, we differentiate the power and multiply with the e, so g prime x e to the power of gx. So example, we have y equals to e to the power of x plus 1. So we want to find dy dx. dy dx equals to, so we differentiate set x plus 1. We'll get, so set x plus 1 is x plus 1 to the power of half. So differentiate this, we'll get negative 1 over 2 x plus 1 to the power of negative half. Then we differentiate inside the bracket times 1. Then times with e to the power of set x plus 1. So simplify, dy dx equals to, so e to the power of x plus 1, set x plus 1 over 2 set x plus 1, because x plus 1 to the power of negative half is equals to set x plus 1. So this is the answer. Okay, now we want to differentiate y equals to ln gx. dy dx equals to, we differentiate gx, we get g prime x over, differentiate ln gx, we get 1 over gx. So g prime x over gx. Okay, now example. If y equals to ln 1 minus 4x over 3x squared. Okay, so we have to consider gx equals 1 minus 4x over 3x squared. So we have to simplify using the law of log first. So y equals to ln 1 minus 4x over 3x squared is ln 1 minus 4x minus, because divide will be minus ln 3x squared. So now we can differentiate one by one. So dy dx equals to differentiate ln 1 minus 4x. We will get, we differentiate 1 minus 4x, we get negative 4 over 1 minus 4x minus differentiate ln 3x squared. We differentiate 3x squared first, we get 6x over 3x squared. Then we can simplify the equation to 4 over 1 minus 4x minus 2 over x. So negative 4 over 1 minus 4x. Now here negative. So this is the answer.